hoovering a house is not my favourite job. It's boring, dull, and you stay in the same place for too long. So, we have Hoover Shoes! You can do the hoovering while you walk. We should do it anyway. Oh yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's practical and productive. It may look noisy, but it's actually quite quiet. Look, I fell asleep. Now there is some commercial benefits too. By simply attaching a hairdryer to the outlet of the Hoover, you can cut somebody's hair, dry it, and hoover up all the hair at the same time. Even the local restaurant is using them. So what do you think to the Hoover Shoes then? Is that good? Okie dokie. I'm a little bit confused.